We're gonna try out a new feature in Photoshop 2026 called Harmonize. What? This feature allows you to quickly and easily blend objects and people with a new background. Here's an example. I want to put this apple on this background. So I'll drag it and drop it right here. I'll adjust its position and scale and press enter to confirm. And as you can see, the apple is not casting any shadow on the background and the colors and lighting are not matching at all. So what do? Well, you click a button. Yes, with the apple layer still activated, go to your contextual taskbar. If you don't see it, just right click outside the canvas and show it, and then simply click Harmonize. Wait for it to process, and bam, it's now matching. The apple is now casting a shadow and it has the correct lighting. Not only that, you also get 3 options here on the taskbar or in the properties panel. And you can choose the one you prefer. Here's another example. I'll remove the background from this car. I'll drop it on top of this background layer and then click Harmonize. And I get this. That's option 1, option 2, and option 3. Awesome. But does it work on people? Yes, it does. This is a person, I think. Could be a robot, who knows? I put him on this background layer. This is before Harmonize and after. Look at the shadows and reflections. Really impressive results. Here's another example. This is before and after. This is very useful for architectural renderings, by the way. Saves so much time. Before and after. Before and after. There are some reflections here, but they're not perfect. Still very impressive. Before and after. I realize my examples are getting more and more stupid, so I'll stop here. Keep in mind that the Harmonize feature is, as Adobe says, a standard feature, not a premium feature. And it consumes 5 credits per generation. What? Why? I don't know. There's this page where Adobe tries to explain the generative credit system, as well as the standard and premium features. And when I asked AI to explain all of this to me, this is what happened. I put the link to this page in the description, so feel free to have a look and let me know what you think in the comments. Just don't ask AI to explain it to you.